neglect your skin, hair, and body while traveling because you don't have enough packing space to fit all of your products? Have a relaxing and stress-free trip knowing your hair and skin are taken care of. RENASOLUM 8-Step Travel Kit is ideal for brief business trips or getaways. RENASOLUM 8-Step Travel Kit also contains products for 2 people, except for the mask pack, so use at your discretion. An excellent and convenient way to put 8 different types of Korean skincare cosmetics to the test. Skincare cosmetics rejuvenate the skin's elasticity with its rich moisturizing effect. Contains all the essential products for you. Compact and lightweight. Easy to use, clean, and hygienic. Stress-free packing, all-in-one cosmetic kit from head to toe.